Hello Eagle Targeters, welcome back to our channel, where we consistently deliver the latest and fastest updates in the field of current military affairs.
As part of its ongoing efforts to modernize its training fleet, the Indonesian Air Force has placed an order for 4 Airbus H145 helicopters. This announcement was made during the Bali International Airshow 2024, held at Igustian Rai Airport in Denpasar on September 18, 2024. The acquisition underscores the strategic initiative to enhance TNI AU's capabilities in both training and mission execution. Under the agreement between TNI AU and PT Dirgantara Indonesia, Airbus will deliver the 4 H145 helicopters to PTDI. The assembly and installation of mission-specific equipment, along with other customizations, will be handled by PTDI at its Bandung facility. Upon completion, these helicopters will be transferred to TNI AU, where they will be primarily used for military training and light search and rescue missions. The newest version of the Airbus H145 helicopter, already popular in several countries, features an innovative 5-blade rotor system. This design improves the helicopter's payload capacity by 150 kilograms, making it even more versatile for a wide range of missions. The new rotor, which is bearing-free, not only simplifies maintenance but also enhances overall serviceability and reliability. This results in improved flight comfort for both passengers and crew, boosting operational efficiency. At the signing ceremony during the Bali International Airshow 2024, key figures included Luhut bin Sar Panjaitan, Indonesia's Coordinating Minister for Maritime Affairs and Investment, M. Arif Faisal, PTDI's Director of Commerce, Technology and Development, and Regis Antamarki, Airbus Helicopters Director of Business and Development. The presence of these high-profile individuals highlights the significance of the agreement for both Indonesia and Airbus. The collaboration between Airbus Helicopters and Indonesia spans nearly 50 years, beginning in 1976 when PTDI first obtained a license to produce NBO-105 helicopters. Since then, PTDI has become a key supplier of rear fuselage and main airframe components for the Airbus H225. In 2011, PTDI began operating an H225 production line, further cementing its role in the Airbus supply chain. In 2017, the partnership expanded to include a range of services dedicated to supporting Indonesia's military helicopter fleet. More recently, both companies have explored the development of helicopter aerostructure production, helicopter configuration services, and the enhancement of local maintenance, repair, and overhaul capabilities. With over 1,700 H145 helicopters in operation worldwide, the model has logged more than 7.9 million flight hours. The helicopter's digital Helionics avionics suite includes a high-performance 4-axis autopilot, which enhances safety and reduces the pilot's workload. Its exceptionally low acoustic footprint makes it the quietest helicopter in its class, while its CO2 emissions are the lowest among its competitors. The H145 is widely used by armed forces around the world, including the U.S. Army and the British Armed Forces, for military training. Germany will soon join the list of countries relying on this helicopter for its defense forces, demonstrating the H145's adaptability and effectiveness in diverse military applications. As TNI AU continues to modernize its fleet, the addition of the Airbus H145 helicopters will play a critical role in improving training efficiency and mission readiness. The advanced capabilities of these helicopters, coupled with the strong partnership between Airbus and PTDI, will undoubtedly enhance Indonesia's defense and operational capabilities for years to come. This collaboration reflects not only the growth of Indonesia's aviation industry, but also its commitment to maintaining a robust and capable air force. Through this strategic investment, TNI AU is ensuring that it remains well-equipped to handle the evolving challenges of both military training and real-world missions.
Thank you for watching. Hopefully, this show can broaden the knowledge for you and your family. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to help grow this channel even bigger.